In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Banxa support. Now to do this, you want to go to their official website, then you want to click on support up top, and then this is going to take you to a separate page where, as you can see, there's going to be a bunch of questions and answers you can basically use to get help. Now, if you still want further assistance, you want to scroll down, and where it says can't find what you're looking for, you want to click on submit a request over here, and that's going to allow you to basically submit a ticket. So here, these fields with this red star are mandatory. You can go ahead and select how they can help. So there's a bunch of different options you can select over here. For example, I'm going to do like payment issue, and then over here you want to select your order number, which is numeric only. You want to choose your country and your email, and where it says description, this is the content of your ticket. So you want to type in as concise as you can all the information and of course all the difficulties you are having. And when you do this, you could also go and attach an attachment and then click on the submit button, and you'll submit your ticket, and that way you'll contact support and they will get back to you with a fix. Okay, so that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.